where do you see the family court systems going in this new direction? And why do you think the governor decided to get some more judges? Something must have triggered this.
Well, the fact is that there are, the family court is an extremely busy court.
Okay.
Not only here in New York, but across the nation. The courts are, the dockets are really full. And the reason is that they're challenging and complex cases. They're family matters.
Yeah.
They're not cut and dry contract matters that you can look at the law and follow the black letter of the law and get to an answer. These are families who are in crisis, who are dealing with really troubling matters. If it's domestic violence, it's substance abuse, mental illness, real challenges.
Yes.
So it's not a matter that you can decide within a day or two, a hearing in a day or two, and the families move on. Oftentimes the families come back. So for that reason, you have this a huge volume. And what I've seen in the research and the work that I've done is that, and I see that here in New York as well, that within family court, we're looking at what we've been calling across the nation well-being. What are those needs of the families? It's identifying the fact that no one system can do it alone. Many systems touch these families. But how are we making sure that we're bringing our best thought, intentionality, and work to help these families so that if they come before us, they're strengthened, they have what they need, and they can move on and then live their lives.
Successfully.
Successfully, exactly, is the key, as opposed to moving out and coming back in.
Again, yeah.
So it's understanding the data, understanding, as I said earlier, the trauma. That's a key factor, because recognizing that the science behind the matters before you is really important, and recognizing that the decision signed on August 31st has a life beyond today. You know, there's a child that's impacted. If it's a child, you know, it's a juvenile justice matter. Decision to place a child in a facility has a life of its own as well, and long-lasting impact.
Yes.
A child removed to child welfare, you know, terminating parental rights, and even placing a child in foster care or in adoption as well. There are long-lasting impacts of this. So it's taking a stop and recognizing this is a special court. It's a most unique and important court. You know, that when we speak about strengthening communities, you know, at our most granular level, it's our families.
Yes.
Any community is made up of its family. And if the families are not strong, whatever the family makeup is, but if the families are not strong and have the resources and the services that they need, your community cannot be strong. Your community cannot be strong.